In this video, I just want to discuss with you guys basic geometry in 3D modeling. I'm using Blender 2.83. So when I log on to the system, I'm taken to the default scene. And on the default scene, what you can see here is the basic mesh, which is a cube. When you're talking about geometry, you're talking about three things. You're talking about vertices, edges, and faces. So using this cube, we're going to discuss those three components of solid objects. Before we start, we need to change the mode from object mode to edit mode. When you look at this 3D cube, you have three components. If you go to the top here, this one is the vertex select, this one is the edge select, and this one is the face select. Let's start with the vertex select. So if I click on the vertex select there, it means I can click a vertex. A vertex being a point where two or more curves, lines, or edges meet. So all those corner points there, those are vertices that you can select. This cube has 8 vertices. The line that joins two vertices is called an edge. So this one is an edge. So let's change this to edge selection. So if I change this to edge selection, if I select that, that's another edge there. That's another edge there. And a cube has 12 edges. Any individual flat surfaces, like this is a flat surface, we call that a face. So let's change this to face select. So I can select a face by just clicking on it. Top face, side face. This is important when you are trying to transform your 3D model. You need to know which selections to use and which transformations you are going to apply to the selection. So you can apply a selection to a face, you can apply a selection to an edge or a vertex. I'm going to just show you extrusion. I'm going to select a face, and on my keyboard I'm going to select E to extrude. So we're now transforming this cube. So if I extrude, click E on the keyboard and just pull, then I select the top part there, click E on the keyboard and pull up, select this face here, select E on the keyboard and pull this way. Okay, as you can see, by just transforming those faces and extruding from the face, I've managed to create this 3D object. Okay, so that's why it is important to be able to select faces, but you can also extrude from an edge. Okay, so let's do that. So if I click the edge selection here, and if I select that edge there, if I click E, which means I want to extrude, I can extrude that edge, as you can see. So if I look at this 3D object now, that's how it looks. So thank you guys, that's all I had for you today. Cheers.